Brian here from Redefined Yoga with a friendly reminder, don't do this. Do you see how I'm set up in this super bendy pretzel-like twist? It's completely unnecessary and completely unfriendly to beginners. So let me unwind out of this and let me show you what to do instead. It would be great if you have a yoga block or a stack of books or a pillow, anything that's going to help get your hips a little bit higher than your knees. That's going to take the pressure out of your low back. It's going to give you a little bit more wiggle room with your hips. So I've got a yoga block. I'm going to sit on top, and if you can't do crisscross applesauce, that's fine. You can put your feet any position that works for you. You can do this sitting in a chair. I've got my crisscross applesauce. Sitting up tall on the yoga block, take a breath in, exhale, rotate. When you feel stuck, place your hands on the ground or on your knee, wherever. This simple seated twist is going to give you the same or similar benefits as that super twisty, bendy pretzel pose we saw at the beginning of the video. The difference is you get a lot of benefit with low risk, and that's the way we teach at Redefined Yoga online, and that's why we teach that way. We want you to get full benefits of yoga in the safest, sanest way possible, and of course, flexibility is not required. Let's do the other side real quick so we feel balanced. Do this for your simple seated twist. Give it a try.